Hello Crypto Nation and welcome to the Exodus channel. Today we're gonna learn how to connect to your favorite Web3 apps using WalletConnect and the Exodus mobile app. WalletConnect lets you easily connect to the world of Web3 by scanning a QR code so you can bid on NFTs, play games, participate in DeFi, and much more. Exodus supports the most popular blockchain networks like Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Algorand, and Fantom. And you can connect to all of them with the Exodus mobile app and WalletConnect. If you don't already have the Exodus mobile app, click the link above to find it in the app stores. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you how to connect to a Web3 app on a computer web browser and then on your phone's web browser. Let's open up OpenSea.io, a popular NFT marketplace. Click the wallet icon in the menu bar and select WalletConnect. Next, open up your Exodus phone app, tap the profile icon on the bottom right, open up WalletConnect and tap Add Connection. Your phone's camera will open up, scan the QR code on the OpenSea website and approve the connection. And if this is your first time using this wallet, you'll be asked to agree to the terms of use. Approve that from your phone and you're set. Your Exodus balance will appear on the OpenSea website and you're now ready to explore, buy, and sell NFTs. Any transactions will need to be approved by you in your Exodus app. Now, we're gonna see what this looks like if you visit OpenSea.io on your phone. Tap the menu bars in the top right, tap Connect Wallet, and WalletConnect. Type Exodus in the search bar, tap the Exodus icon which will open up your wallet, and slide to approve the connection. Go back to OpenSea, and if you open the menu again, tap My Wallet, you should see your wallet info there. You can now explore OpenSea right on your phone. This works for Magic Eden, Curve Finance, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, you name it. You should be able to do this with pretty much any Web3 app with the WalletConnect integration. If this video helped, give it a like and be sure to hit the download button to use Exodus on your computer, phone, or tablet. Thanks for watching.